Hi Sugar Cookies, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs, and reviews on makeup and everything, and so much more. Stay tuned. Now what do I have in my teeth? Okay. Hi Sugar Cookies, it's me, Cookie. Hi Shagan. Hi Sugar Cookies, for those of you who are new, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle.
I still get a kick out of that. It doesn't get old.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is a lifestyle channel, so all the things that you saw on the B-roll, I don't know, this way, that way, all the things that you saw on the B-roll, I do all of that and more. It's a lifestyle channel, so I share my lifestyle, my tips, tricks.
Inspiración.
Today I have another easy weeknight meal for you, or you could have this anytime you want with just a few ingredients that I had on hand. And let's get to seeing what I make.
It's gonna be delicious.
Okay, let's meet the protagonist of this meal. So I have this smoked salmon that I got from Aldi's, not sponsored. These are just the things that I have on hand. And then I'm gonna augment that with this wild caught pink salmon, which is not smoked. I have some Newman's Own Alfredo sauce, some extra virgin olive oil, don't judge me. Some Tony's Chachere or Chachere, whichever. Put it in there. Some baby spinach that, well, is almost going south. I have some garlic puree there and some garlic confit, some fettuccine pasta, some diced jalapeños, some capers with a little bit of the brine. I have some frozen asparagus, some fire roasted red bell peppers. This is the mixed blend that I always keep on hand in my freezer. Focus, let me be great. This is the seasoning blend. It has onion, celery, red peppers, green peppers, parsley, bone broth. And I have my water already boiling and my skillet nice and dry. And it is heating because I'm going to dry roast the vegetables. Stay tuned, it's going to be delicious. Are you ready for the char sound? Woo! I love that sound. Give that a good stir and let all the water evaporate. And this is going to give it a beautiful char. Don't walk far away from this now. This is drying up quite nicely. I'm just going to give it a quick toss. And at this stage, I'm going to add the asparagus. And then everything after that is just basically just a dump and go situation. I'm boiling the pasta water, adding that, and it's done. I told you it's going to be easy, quick, delicious. Did I mention impressive? Because it is. You're welcome. Gonna give that a nice little smush.
Oh my gosh. Did you activate your smell-o-vision? Because the smell is delicious.
Wow. Delicious. You can make this also without the salmon if you want. You can add another type of protein or not. It's up to you. My mouth is literally salivating already. Oh my gosh, let me smash these little garlics up. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty too. I've added the spinach and the capers. I'm gonna let that wilt down just a little bit. And now I'm going to add the Alfredo sauce. Be careful, this is a little salty, so don't go crazy. Taste it out. Give that a good toss. Oh my gosh. Add the salmon, just salmon pieces. This smells so good, guys. I'm also gonna save some of the pasta water in case I need to thin this sauce out a little bit. Oh my goodness. Give that a little taste. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the seasoning. No salt, but I am gonna add some black pepper. Look at that, delish. Get that creamy sauce. I added a little bit of olive oil on top. Now I'm gonna add the pasta, the fettuccine, just like that. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, guys. If you wanna be naughty, you can add a little knob of butter to this at the very end. I'm just saying. Oh my gosh. Now, I like to undercook my fettuccine just a little bit because it's gonna finish cooking in here. Or I should say that the cooking process will continue while the pasta is in here. I'm gonna give that a good mix. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, we just gotta plate her. Oh, isn't that a thing of beauty? Ooh, I'm letting her just cool off just a little bit before I plate it. I did add just a little bit of the reserved pasta water that you see back there to give it that creamy texture. Ooh, can't wait. It smells so good. Oh, are you ready? Look at that, how beautiful. I don't want to drop it, but doesn't that look delicious and pretty? Oh, this is going to be, it smells so good. Oh, I sprinkled it at the end with some dill weed seed. Go ahead.
My video.
Here you go. Oh, it's so hot. The pasta, perfect al dente every time. Creamy, garlicky. That dill at the end made the difference. The roasted garlic that turns a little sweet in the background. And the roastiness or the charness of the vegetables. That dry char, guys, give it a try. Amazing. I'm gonna go eat this. See you later. Look at that. What do you think? Not bad, huh? If you like this video and you found some value in it and you want to see more, then subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Share the video. Why? Because it helps my channel grow and get out there, and the algorithm says, hello, she is here. Post your notification bell, you know, the ding 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 dong bell, and select all so you don't miss any of my videos. As I say around here, smile, your soul will thank you for it. You don't feel like smiling? Oh my goodness, that's okay. I'll do it for you. Uno minutos. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next. I'm gonna go get it. Hi.
Hello? Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.